Hey guys, this is Jordan with Iron Clutch Fitness. Today, me and I are going to show you how to perform a proper kettlebell deadlift. Kettlebell deadlifts are a great preparatory movement for someone to move on to things like kettlebell swings or barbell deadlift. Deadlifts in general are a great way to build up the muscles of the hamstrings, the glutes, and the muscles of the back. Deadlifts can help aid in athletic performance, and the deadlift movement pattern should be the go-to movement pattern whenever you're lifting up something heavy off the ground, whether it be 10 bags of groceries or a basket of cute little puppies. Yeah, all right. So Mia's gonna go ahead and step forward. She's gonna stand right over the top of the kettlebell. She's going to position herself where the kettlebell handle is cutting her midfoot in half. From there, she's going to push her butt back. She's going to grab the handles, and she's going to pull herself down just a little bit. She's going to set her shoulder blades back. She's going to pack her chin down and back a little bit. She's going to squeeze her armpits closed, and from there, now we're going to pick up the kettlebell. So she's going to push through her heels, push her hips forward, and squeeze her butt at the top. To set the kettlebell down, she's just going to reverse the movement. So she's going to push her hips back, and once she gets to the floor, she'll reset up again. So she'll pull herself down, squeeze her shoulder blades back, and then close off her armpits, and then pack her chin down and back. There, push to the heels, push her hips forward, squeeze the butt at the top. Reverse the movement, okay? Reset up, push to the heels, push the hips forward, squeeze the butt at the top. Let's do one more. Reset up, push to the heels, push the hips forward, squeeze the butt at the top. One of the most common movement faults with the deadlift is rounding too much over from the spine, mainly the lower back. That's usually a quick fix, and it usually involves just focusing a little bit more on the setup. So, Mia's gonna, from here, pull herself down. That usually flattens out the lower back, and then sets her shoulder blades back, closes out the armpits, packs the shin down and back, and then there she'll pick up the kettlebell. Very good. Another common movement fault with the deadlift is finishing with the hips too far forward. So Mia's going to pick up the kettlebell, and she'll finish with her hips too far forward. As you can see, her shoulders are way behind her hips. When we stand up with a kettlebell or stand up with a deadlift, we just want to finish with the hips right underneath their shoulders. So she'll push to the heels, push her hips forward, squeeze the butt at the top, and then she lands with her hips right underneath her shoulders. All right, so now let's just do one more. Push to the heels, push your hips forward, squeeze the butt at the top, and the hips are right underneath the shoulders. Guys, if you want to learn any more about deadlift technique or any other strength training techniques, you can contact me on the phone number listed on the video or at ironclutchfitness.com. Thanks a lot.